Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. We are from Group 9 going to do presentation group assignment business communication, and the title is the role of effective communication in fostering employee compliance and engagement employers. For this slide, there is a list of group members. This group consists of 5 members, which is Nur Kamal Farhan bin Zairul Akmal, Adam Danish bin Ahmad, Muhammad Adan Sari bin Muhammad Azman, Nur Akila binti Ishaq, and Nur Farah Amalina binti Jamali. For this slide is explain about table of content. The first one is introduction, and the second one is important of the issue, third one problems from the issue, and the fourth one impacts from the issue, and the fifth one solutions of the issue, and lastly conclusion. Introduction. Organization success in the quickly changing workplace of today depends on its capacity to develop a dedicated and motivated employee. Employers must understand the effective role that good communication plays in promoting employee engagement and compliance in order to accomplish this. Communication is the process of transferring information, concepts, ideas, and emotion among people or group. Communication very important in role of effective in fostering employee compliance and engagement employers because it can give the employee and employers many benefits such as trust and transparency, conflict resolution, and alignment with organizational goals. Unfortunately, there are many issues related which one of it is compliance of communication among organizations. So the company should consider the way to overcome the problems and how the ways impact the organizations.
So now I would like to talk about the importance of the role of effective communication in fostering employee compliance and engagement with their employers. So in this presentation, we will explore the three key aspects, which is leadership, organizational culture, and strengthen team building. Okay. So leadership plays a pivotal role in any organization. Effective communication from leaders is essential for employee compliance and engagement. When leaders communicate clearly and transparently, they establish trust and credibility among their team's members. By providing clear expectation and guidance, leaders help employees understand their roles and responsibility, reducing ambiguity and fostering compliance. So, furthermore, effective communication enables leaders to motivate and inspire their teams. Through regular communication channels, leader can convey the organization's vision, value, and goals, aligning employees' efforts with the larger purpose. This shared understanding promotes engagement as employees feel connected to the organization's mission and are more likely to be proactive and committed. So, organizational culture. Organization culture encompasses the value, belief, and behavior that shape the work environment. In communication is the lifeblood of a healthy organization culture. When communication is open, inclusive, and respectful, it's create an environment where employees feel comfortable expressing their ideas, concern, and feedback. By encouraging two-way communication, organizations foster a sense of belonging and empower employees to actively participate in decision-making process. This inclusivity and involvement lead to higher level of compliance as employees feel valued and respected. When employees have a voice and feel heard, they are more likely to be engaged, motivated, and committed to their organization's success. So the last is strengthen team building. Teamwork and collaboration are vital for achieving organizational objectives. Effective communication forms the foundation of successful team building. When team members communicate openly and honestly, they share information, insight, and feedback that enhance the collective understanding of tasks and goals. Clear and consistent communication within team promotes cooperation, coordination, and accountability. By keeping everyone informed, conflict and misunderstanding can be minimized, and productivity can maximize. Effective communication also encourage empathy and mutual respect, fostering a positive work environment that encourages compliance and engagement. So the conclusion is effective communication is crucial for fostering employees' compliance and engagement in workplace. Through leadership, organization culture, and strengthening team building, organization can create an environment where employees feel valued, connected, and motivated to contribute their best. By recognizing the importance of communication and actively working to improve, employees can build strong relationship with their employees, leading to the increased compliance, higher engagement, and ultimately organization success. So that's for me. Thank you. Okay. Macam mana nak replay balik? Ni ban dah pause kan? Stop lah, sorry.
The important just now show that the role of communicative environment is vital among college and organization. But there are many problems that follow together. Firstly, barrier of attitude. Any failure upon handling our attitude can effectively burn the company performance. Some factors that can make attitude change are dissatisfaction among college and the effective relation. Dissatisfaction that caused by misunderstanding in any conversation among college and the disappointment or the offensive feeling upon that can affect the organization when transferring message and tasks. Secondly, the lack of incentive given by the organization, like inconducive workplace, same wages for multitask worker, and so on, can lead to the bad assumption to the leader and can bring the bad effect to the company. Next, word misunderstanding. Every company must use simple and understandable language, as well as the word shows, because they should consider that some of their workers is non-native speaker of some of the language. That may lead to the misleading information and lack of communication among workers when using to high level of languages. The company should also practice formal communication among workers, especially when giving tasks and transferring messages. Miscommunication also may bring to the misunderstandable thing of the task to the worker, as well as make the performance of the company will be affected. Lastly, openness among organization. Some company out there have their leader that think if they were leader, they were everything, and they always right in certain decision in the organization. Leader internally prohibit any worker to giving their idea or their suggestion upon change that they want to make. Thus, the leader that show like an arrogant person, selfish and ego, as well as dictatorship individual, make worker on the ground sense they no need to care about their company. It will lead to disaffection relation and social effort that can lower the company performance.
Move to the next part of this presentation, which is the way or the key to solve this problem to achieve effectiveness in communication in fostering employee compliance and engagement with them. So in Islamic perspective, we have this goal, which is world peace and also peaceful behavior that also cannot be realized without a channel of effectiveness in communication. So the first key or the first way to solve this problem is to have consistency in two-way communication at all corporate levels. This way of communication in conversation is essential to maximizing the effectiveness in communication. It is also shows how important the relationship between all levels in workplace. So instead of only executive generating fantastic ideas and sharing them with all the employees, we can create a culture that where all employees at all levels can contribute with their ideas with different kind of perspective and ready to share with all of the others employees, to share the knowledge and also receive criticism, and also start over if we have a problem or not really okay with the ideas itself, so we can change them and we can help each other. Second, to define goals and expectations. So setting clear goals in communication helps to provide direction and focus to all the employees, and also it ensures that the message are aligned with the overall objective and vision of the company, and also will avoid misunderstanding and also confusion. Second, it will increase productivity by knowing that intended outcome of their communication activities. Employees can focus on tasks that they contribute to achieve those goals, leading to increased productivity and also efficiency. So the third one is proactively seeking feedback. So a response offered by the person receiving information, or referred as the feedback or survey, is crucial in business communication. We can identify a lot of employees' problem or dissatisfaction through this feedback and survey, and we will try to improve for the better in the company, because if we don't know the problem at the employees, this might lead to a lot of staff turnover, lower productivity, and also unhappy workers. So by conducting the regular employee surveys, management may get the feedback and dig deeper into the data needed to track problems, enhance workplace culture, and also increase employer engagement.
The next part going to be the impact for the role of effective communication in fostering employee compliance and engagement with employers. My name is Nur Farah Amalina binti Jamali, metric number 1220658. The first impact is clarity of expectation. Clarity of expectation refers to the degree of explicitness and understanding regarding what is required, anticipated, or desired in a particular situation. It demonstrates how effective communication helps to ensure that employees are aware with their job duties and organizational expectation, and what is organization need to do are to give clear instruction, the guideline of the work, and the policies to reduce uncertainty, and also a framework for the employees to comply with the organizational standard. The second impact is build trust between employers and employees. Building trust between employees and employers is essential for fostering employee compliance and engagement, in creating a positive work environment, and achieving organizational success. Effective communication play a crucial role in maintaining that trust. Therefore, to foster trust, managers must lead by example through a commitment to honest and ethical business practices. The last impact is addressing issues and concerns. As an employer, you must actively listen to employees' feedback, take note of any worries you hear from them, and respond to those concerns in a way that will help you to fix the issue. This is how you address problems and concerns through effective communication. With this kind of mindset in employers, it can foster a culture of open communication without boundaries between employees and employers. Give employees a platform to voice their opinion and issues, and instantly and transparently address their complaint. Next, we move to the next part.
And for conclusion, effective communication is essential for encouraging employee compliance and engagement with employer. It lets leaders set clear goals and objectives, create a healthy work environment, and encourage and motivate staff members. Maintaining effective communication within an organization is crucial for enhancing employee cooperation and productivity. However, there are several obstacles and problems that hinder good communication and engagement between employers and employees, such as barriers in attitude, work misunderstandings, and openness throughout the organization. Strategies must be planned to overcome the problems by consistent in two-way communications, define goals and expectations in communication, and proactively seek feedback. Lastly, effective communications improve organizational clarity, trust, and problem solving.
That's all from our group. We hope you all get new information from us. Thank you.